Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about seasons and months in Kurdish. So I hope after this lesson you are going to be able to speak about months and seasons in Kurdish. So if you are ready, we can start. So let's start. As you see, we have, as in all languages, we have 4 seasons in Kurdish. For summer, we have Havin. For spring, we have Bahar. For fall, we have Pais. And for winter, we have Zivistan. And let's repeat once more for you to learn pronunciation very well. Havin, Bahar, Pais, Zivistan. So let's learn months in Kurdish. So for summer, for Havin, for June, we have Pushber. For July, we have Termeh. For August, we have Gelavesh. And for spring, we have Adar. For March, Adar. We have Avril. For April, Avril. We have Gulan. For May, Gulan. And for fall, for Pais, we have Rezber. For September, we have Kaucher. For October, we have Sarmawaz. For November, Rezber, Kaucher, and Sarmawaz for September, October, and November. And for winter, so for December, we have Berfenbar. For January, we have Rabandan. And for February, we have Rashami. So let's repeat. From June, Pushber, Termeh, Gelavesh, Adar, Avril, Gulan, Rezber, Kaucher, Sarmawaz, Berfenbar, Rabandan, Rashami. So let's speak about Bahar. So here, as you see, it says the Demsal Bahar de hava hedi germ dibe, baran dibare و کلیک و دبن. دم سال بهاره ده هوا هدی گرم دبی. باران دباره و کلیک و دبن. So, as we said, Demsal is season, Bahar is spring. It means the Demsal Bahare de in the spring season. Hawa hedi gam debe. The weather slowly gets warm. Hedi literally means slowly. Hedi, gam debe, gambun, to get warm. Baran dubare ukulil kvedeben. Baran dubare, it means literally the rain rains. Okay, it rains. And kulil kvedeben, like flowers bloom. Okay, kulil is flower, kvebun, it is actually to open, like to be opened. Yes, flowers bloom. And let's speak about Havin, which is summer, and in it says Havin yek char demsalen sale yeku pshti baharete. Dvi waqte sale de rojgarmu geleki drej dben. Let's read again. Havin yek char demsalen sale yeku pshti baharete. Dvi waqte sale de rojgarm u geleki drej dben. The translation will be, summer is one of the 4 seasons of the year that goes after spring. In this time of the year, days become hot and really long. Here, when you want to say like one of the tatat something, you will say yekje tatatan, like one of tatatan. That's why it says Havin yekje char, like Havin is one of the 4. Okay. Ku means that, pishti bharete, which comes after spring. Okay. دوی وقت ساله ده in this time of the year روز گرم و گلکی درشت دبن. Days become hot and really long. The next one is payis, which means fall, and let's speak about this. It says pishti havine payis de. Hedi hava sard be. Dibistan ve dibin palendaran duashin. Okay. Pishti havine payis de. Hedi hava sard be. Dibistan ve dibin palendaran duashin. It means after the summer, pishti havine payis de. The fall comes, yes. As we said, hedi means slowly. Hedi hava sard be. The weather slowly gets cold. Sarbun, to get cold. Dibistan vedvin. Dibistan is cool. Vebun, like to be open, to open. Dibistan vedvin, the schools open. Palendaran duashin. The leaves of the trees fall down. Duashin is to fall down. You can use for hair, for example, poremin duashin. You can say my hair. But I don't know in English can you say fall down for hair, but in Kurmanji you can. So the leaves of the trees fall down. Leaf, pel, leaves of the trees, palendaran. So the last one is Zivistan. Let's speak about Zivistan. It says Zivistan sare berf dibare u av dikarise. Zivistan de jiyan zahmete. Zivistan sare berf dibare u av dikarise. Zivistan de jiyan zahmete. The winter is cold. Zivistan sare. It snows, berf dibare, and the water freezes. O av dikarise. Av is the water. Qarisin to freeze. The Zivistan de jiyan zahmete. In the winter, the life is hard. The Zivistan de, look at this. The Zivistan de, it's our circumposition as a preposition. The Zivistan de jiyan zahmete. Life is hard. Life is difficult. Yes. So I hope you understood some useful stuff, and I hope you will be able to speak about your season, your I don't know, your vacation, about Havin, Bahar, Pais. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for learning Kurdish and following me. Stay healthy and follow me and learn Kurdish. Goodbye.